Hey Nailiaddicts, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm going to be doing the viral 3D strawberry nail today. I seen it on Long Hair Pretty Nails and she seen it off of Instagram and it didn't look so hard to try. You mostly just need a kind of a gel like your rhinestone glue gel, something that's with a thick consistency, not nothing runny, but something that's really thick but not solid. So more like a semi-solid. So I already went in and painted my nails so that way the video wouldn't be too long. And I just wanted to show y'all that I am still working on learning how to do French tips. If you're a nail enthusiast, a nail hobbyist, or a nail tech, you know we secretly do not like to do French tips. I don't know why they're so hard to do, but they are. But everybody else thinks they're so simple and so easy, and they kind of not. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit of black to this red color, and that's because I wanted to do like some shading or to kind of give my strawberry some dimension because it's going to be with the clear gel on top of it, and I didn't want it to get lost in the background and all you see is just the clear bubble gel on top. I noticed that a lot of nail content creators who do a lot of hand painting and hand drawing, that is something that they always are doing is shading and outlining. And I want to try my hand at adding some more of that into my artwork. These two nails were simple to draw or to decorate. It didn't require much, just a solid background with some little yellow dots to mimic the thing of seeds. And then, of course, you draw your little stem. I just used some little triangles. What really makes a difference with drawing your artwork on your nails is the instrument you use. I've seen people use everything from a toothpick, a wooden orange stick, a cuticle pusher, anything that they feel the most comfortable with. I use these nail brush liner brushes, and I'm not saying that they're not good quality. I think I paid maybe $20 for them, maybe $18 to $20 on Amazon. They're from Yaster, and at first I thought they were like really good, and then I started using them more often, and maybe not. Here's what I mean when I was saying that I wanted to add some more dimension by adding some shading. Now, that also can mean adding a lighter color if you already have a dark background. So I just use this lime green. Now, this is an art paint from Young Nails. It's in their Mission Control pack. And I just use their lime green to kind of add some highlights to my strawberry stem. And I don't want it to be where like you can see a notable color difference, but I didn't want it to blend in because it would just be light green. You just kind of want to find that medium, and that's what I'm working on. So I'm not adding the highlights to every part of the stem, just on a couple of accent pieces. I did off camera try this nail on a long coffin tip first to see how it was going to turn out. And I used my McCart rhinestone glue. And that seemed to be the most popular thing to use when making these. And I can see why. However, it doesn't have a lot in the tube. And I need to get some more. So I didn't want to use up a lot of it making just like these practice nails. So I said, well, let me look and see if I had some other stuff that I could use. So I pulled out this IBD hard gel, and it's the same consistency as the McCart rhinestone glue, and it worked out well at first. The only tip that I can give y'all is that be careful when you get ready to top coat these nails. because putting on a top coat actually dulled the 3D bubble look. I ended up wiping it off before I could cure it and going back over it with my JinB crazy top to bring back the shine and to bring back the dimension. For some reason, when I put the top coat on there, it almost like it encapsulated it, but it made it look like it was just one big blur instead of being able to see the different lines going through the strawberry, because I made them in like a triangle. No, not a triangle, a diamond pattern. And once I top coated it, you really couldn't see that pattern anymore. So if I can give any tip, I would just say use a non-wipe 3D gel. And that's probably why everybody was using the McCart one, because it is non-wipe. And this IBD hard gel, it was not non-wipe. You do have an inhibition layer. So having to use a regular thin top coat on top of it, it just kind of smeared it all together, if that's making any sense. Now, when you look this up on Pinterest, or if you watch Long Hair Pretty Nails, she did all 10 of her fingers with this strawberry 3D effect. I already knew that was just too much for me. That's a little overwhelming. So I broke it up into another kind of design, which is why I used the French tips and the solid nail. And I wanted to draw these. I could have just used my Palmer, I think they're called Palmer clay pieces. I've used those strawberry pieces. They're like a little tray that has all these different fruit slices. I'm sure a lot of y'all already have those. I could have just used those to put on my French tip nails. I just wanted to see if I could like hand draw some strawberries, keeping on theme with what I was already doing because everything else had been hand drawn. And these little strawberries were so simple. You kind of just need to make a rounded triangle and then draw like little X's for your stem. That's how I got it to look like little spiky pieces like your real strawberry. And I just used the wooden orange wooden stick, the tip part, and just put these tiniest of little dots on them. Of course, if you have a dotting tool or any other instrument that you feel more comfortable with using, or using your little fruit slices, either way, it's up to you. It's your nails, your design. As for me, I just wanted to see if I could do it by hand. And another reason was because the two middle nails are already a 3D effect. And so I wanted those two nails to be like the accent nails. So the other nails, I didn't want them to be 3D. Like I could have added some clear gel to make like a bubble effect on top of those hand-drawn strawberries. But I wanted them to be flat so that the 3D would stand out. And not that the other nails don't need attention or nothing like that. I just wanted them to kind of be like not blend in the background. If I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I just wanted the two main strawberry nails to stand out, and I felt like if I added some 3D gel uh add to the other little strawberries, that it really wouldn't stand out, because you have just a whole texture, like all five of the nails would be textured, and that wasn't the look I was going for. I know that probably doesn't make sense. I guess I'm just trying to say that I wanted to even out the design and just keep those two strawberry nails the main focus of the hand. If you like the way these nails turned out and you don't want to actually do these yourselves, you are welcome to go onto my online store, OCD Beauty on Etsy, and these will be available for purchase. I think they are going to do great for the summertime, because I love wearing fruits and neons in the summertime. And I had a lot of fun making these, and I would like to share them with anybody who wants to wear them also. Another thing is, like I told y'all in the last video, I am now an affiliate with Maniology, Nail Reserve, Born Pretty, and Clear Jelly Stamper. So if you guys are shopping on any of those websites, feel free to use my codes, which will be listed in the description box underneath this video. I would really appreciate it. I do earn a small commission from you using my code, and I will use that money to put back into my channel so that I can keep providing nail content. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, I had to go back over these nails with my JinB Crazy Top. This is a non-white top coat, and actually I kind of wish I would have used it, because it's a little bit thinner than the IBD gel and the McCart gel. But I think if I would have used it and layered it up, it would have still gave me the same effect, and I wouldn't have had to add any top coat, because it's nice and shiny once you cure it. And now that I'm thinking about it, when I watched Long Hair Pretty Nails video, she top coated the strawberries before she did the 3D effect, and that's something that I didn't do. So I'll know that for the next time when I redo these nails again. Like I said, they will be available for purchase on my Etsy shop. That is exactly how I'm going to do them. And so I already practiced on doing them now. So by the time I get ready to make them available for purchase, I already have it down packed on how to get the best effect for my customers. So this is the nail set complete, Nailiaddicts. What do you think about this 3D texture? Some people are real funny about having texture on their nails or textured polish. I like it because I get to rub it and it just feels weird, and I like to do that. So would you guys wear these? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching my video. See y'all later. Bye.